got a Lynx TT1000 107mm printer here. Not sure what's going on. Let's jump into it. One of the mandrels was having a hard time coupling with the motor. Let's hear that again. First print looks like crap. The second is worse. Let's take a peek at the ribbon and see how the tension's doing. So you can see it's got a little bit of slop down here. Alright, time to try the third print. And look at that slop, and that ribbon was a preview of what to come. So we're getting ribbon pull-through error. Alright, so we click the error, and basically it's telling us the ribbon supply is being pulled by the substrate. Remove cassette, check the ribbon and substrate are not stuck together. Alright, so it says the fault may be due to a momentary adhesion of the ribbon to the substrate, which is caused by excessive printhead pressure and heat or darkness. Now our settings are 100% darkness and the minimum 2 kilogram print force. I have some inside information. This customer was using the wrong size ribbon, and it caused tons of mandrel issues. Alright, so we are going to go to Google, Videojet 6530 107mm printer. I want to pull up the data sheet so I can explain what happened with this printer. Yeah. Let's scroll down. Here we go. Okay, specs. Up to 1200 meter ribbon capacity in a variety of ribbon economy modes help maximize the time between ribbon changeovers. What they don't tell you there is it can cause problems. All right, now let's hop over to the links, which is what I offer at TTOParts. And let's scroll down here. And you kind of can notice from the videos that it is essentially the same printer. So scroll down here and we got specs. Okay, maximum ribbon length of 1200 meters. So they're not getting specific. But what happened with this customer was they were using a 1200 meter yellow ribbon, which color ribbon is thicker than black ribbon. So it was an extremely large roll, heavy roll, that was causing mandrel problems. I replaced the loose mandrel. So let's get it up for a test. Alright, time for the first print. And much better. Let's try another one. Okay, second one looks good too. Alright, and let's look for our third. Alright, so before we saw degrading quality, and now it looks great.